have your eyes open and see what is good for them, what is good for you also. Let's go deeper to have a look. Help you.
Snail farm. Snail farm. They produce 3 tons of snails every year.
Summertime, snails are sleeping. They are hibernate.
Ah,
So it's the perfect time for us to collect all the snails from here and prepare the whole place for our new season. Our season usually starts in the middle of September when the weather gets a bit cooler, let's say. And we every year we keep some snails of our production to make them parents for our new
breeding.
production.
Okay.
So this time of the year, what we do, we have first, as I told you, to collect all the snails. After that, we need to change the soil. You can see this area is in progress.
Yeah.
Let's say it isn't quite ready yet. We have to plant different vegetables as cabbages. Later in the summer, we'll plant some lettuce and different herbs also, like spearmint and basil. Uh, we need to do that to avoid bacteria because snails, they poop a lot.
Yeah.
Excuse me. And they birth their eggs in the ground. So the soil must be fresh every year. Snails, they have their reproduction season from September to December. Sometimes more if the winter is longer, let's say. They have no male and female. They are both. They are hermaphrodite.
Yeah.
But still, they need each other. They mate to change their genetic material, and after that, every snail is a mom. They birth from 80 to 100 eggs, let's say, and unfortunately, the 60% is going to survive. This is their nature. We cannot do
Yeah.
something about that. Not yet, at least. We try to find a way. We grow the Cretan snail, the local snail, and the difficulty is that uh, my English. Uh, Snails were wild for many years, and as any wild animal, if you take it from the nature and you put it in a cage, they need time to feel comfortable, and we need time to see what they want. So we need to experiment with the quality and the quantity of the water, the quality and the quantity of their food. We try to, that's why we use different materials also. We have wood here, nets made of net. We use the rocks, the stones, to see and check what is good and better for them.
Okay.
So after they have their babies, we need to collect the parent snails and take them out. We put them to the area next to the greenhouse. You'll see it later. This is why babies need a lot of food and to be in action to grow. But the parent snails, they need to slow down a little to recover from the birth situation. So that's why we separate them to give them the extra care that they need, let's say. And the baby snails, they need about 15 to 20 days to pop from the eggs. If it is hot, they need less. If it isn't that hot, they need some days more. And they need about 8 to 9 months to grow enough for us to sell them to the market.
The color of the eggs of your Cretan
White.
snails are white.
White. They look like little pearls. They are tiny, not that tiny. You can see them with the naked eye, and they are all stuck together
Yeah,
to a big ball.
yeah, yeah. I know that because I did some small farming with the Chinese. They said Chinese snails that those eggs are pink
Ah,
and they produce so much so quick.
really?
Yeah, and you just make a hole and they produce there. Yes,
This is very interesting.
I did that in Philippines in my home, in my backyard. And then I forgot one time to put a cover and they were all over the house.
Beautiful.
Because I love snails. I love to eat snails.
Yes, I can see it in your eyes.